Hi friends, it's Julia, and today I'm here with day number 1 of my July 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge, and it is using my Felicity Jane Sarah paper pack. I had a couple of these packs that I pulled in, and I just wanted to start off by showing you. I took the introduction sheet with all the different samples of the collection and just stamped out Sarah across there. I'm going to cut out some skirts and tops, and then I went through on some scrap cardstock and just stamped Sarah with some archival ink, and these are still drying a little bit. Sometimes with these that you do with the archival ink, you need to let them dry, and you can see that one wasn't a very good impression, so that'll go into the trash. But you want to let these dry for probably a good 8-10 hours before you start coloring on them if you're going to color. That has been my finding. Other people may have a different opinion, but I find that if I go in before they're completely saturated into the paper and completely dried, then I have bleeding of the black, and I don't want that. And I don't know how it's going to respond to some of the color, because it didn't lay down on some of these colors very well. But I did use the regular black ink, the pigment ink, water-based ink, as opposed to the archival ink. So we'll see what the difference is and how things go, but I'll fussy cut these out here in a little while. It doesn't take as long for that water-based ink to dry, and then I'll be back to show you. Give me a second and I'll pull on my papers for my first layout. Okay, so I pulled everything together, and I'm starting with the sketch from July 2021, and it's this one here. And it is a page maps, by the way. It has a couple of sheets of paper. It's got a background floral piece, a solid sheet, and then 3 photos, and then a journal title spot area there with some embellishments along the top, plus the date down here at the bottom, and maybe a border strip down here along the bottom of the paper. So what I'm pulling out, I'm keeping it really simple, y'all. I pulled in a couple of sheets of paper. I pulled in this teal color that matches the background polka dot in this polka dot paper. Yeah. So we'll see what I can create with that. I pulled in 3 photos, and I pulled in a journal spot / title spot there. I pulled in the different embellishments that I have in the kit. These are all the die cuts. These are the photo corners. I did pull in my washi tape, and I did pull in the embellishments, the enamel dots, the puffy stickers that I pulled into the kit. These are not Sarah, these are from Jenna, and then these bows are from Megan. And then I pulled in a couple of alphabet sets that I had in, this dusky pink color, as well as this striped white with black stripe, and then these Shea ampersands and arrows, and then the Sarah puffy titles. So we'll see what I can create with this. I'm thinking I'm going to have to pull in a smaller tile alphabet as well to pull my title together, because I want to use time for vacation as my title, and so we'll see what I can put together with that. So in the meantime, this is where I'm starting. Give me a few minutes. I'll give you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created with these embellishments, etc. So there we go. Sorry I lost the second half of my video, guys. So here is the sketch, and I will show you the close-ups that I completed of the sketch. Sorry about this, but you know, it is what it is. Sometimes when you're doing a lot of videos at one time, you inadvertently get rid of videos, even when you look in your scrap bin or your recycle bin and you can't find them. Anyway, here's the close-ups.